Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to link your Redmi Buds 6 Play to your iPhone. So the first thing that we should do is we go to our iPhone, and after that we go to the App Store and we download this app, the app called Xiaomi AirBuds. You just need to download this app and wait for a few seconds. And of course you should turn on the Bluetooth on like your iPhone. So the Bluetooth should be on. After that we open the app. After opening the app, you give all the needed permission for it. Click I agree. Choose your country. So for me it's Tunisia. And after that click next. After that accept all this, next, and start. After that allow to use the Bluetooth and click add earphones, and here it will give you all the models, all the available models. You choose the Redmi Buds 6 Play, click on it, and after that take your Redmi Buds 6 Play, open it, and after opening just need to click on that button here for 3 seconds like this, 1, 2, 3, and it will be like lighting like this. You just need to click on got it, and it will give you like the name of your earbuds here. Click on it, and after that click on settings, and after that it will find it here with Bluetooth in other devices. Click on it and it's connected like that. Your Redmi Buds 6 Play are connected and they are also ready to use, and you can start using them with your iPhone without any problem. And of course in the app here you will see like all the needed information about your earbuds. You can find here like the case, the charge for the right and the left also earbuds. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.